Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the agitator cam on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the washer won't agitate, because it's noisy, or because it pumps but won't spin. For this repair, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and a ratchet with a long extension and a 7/16 socket. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model that we'll be using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. Keep in mind, what you have at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our washer's door. So we can see here, to get to our cam kit, we're going to have to remove this lid. To do that, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'll put it in this little notch right here, and I'm going to pry off this lid. Go. So you can see down there, it's pretty dirty, but we've got to get that bolt out. So I'm going to use a ratchet with a long extension and a 7/16 socket on it, and we're going to take that bolt out. And while you do this, you might have to hold onto the bottom so that it doesn't turn on you. Now that the bolt is loose, we can pull out this entire agitator assembly. So this piece is the cam kit right here. So I can pull this out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out and then throw out all this garbage and stuff that's in here. So these little bits of here, these aren't actually rocks like I thought they were. They're pieces of plastic from the cam kit. And that's why the washer is not working properly. So we're going to throw out this old one and we're going to grab our new one. So here's our new agitator cam kit. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So these little plastic pieces here are called dogs, and we're going to put them in just like that. So you can see right there, and this one right here, you're going to put it in like this. So it's going to be facing towards the inside. You don't want it facing out like this. That doesn't do any good. There are also instructions included with this kit, so it'll show you as well. But this is the way that you want to do it. Right there. And the last one. Now after you've got all those on, we're going to push this down to lock those dogs into place. And just be careful. Don't do what I did. That just slipped out. We put it back in, and now we can use that, and now they should all be locked into place. So now we've got this piece of plastic that was on the bottom first. Got a few notches in it, so we're going to line those notches up with the notches right on here. So we're going to slide the top part of the shaft in there like that. So you can see there's a tab in there. And we've got these two slots on here. So when you put this in, you're going to try and line up the tabs and the slots, and it'll slide straight in. There we go. Nice and smooth. Now you can grab your bolt and put it in with your ratchet. Now as we tighten it, once it gets tight again, you're going to have to hold on to the very bottom of the agitator so it doesn't spin on you. There it goes. So we're going to hold on to the bottom. And once everything's tightened up in there, we get our cap. Push that back on. Make sure it's nice and secure on there. Now we can close the washer door. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.